Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a journal entry. You can find it under Bookkeeping Financial Manual. Here's the journal entry page. It has a manual accounting function, and once it is posted, it will affect the journal ledger. There are two ways to create a journal entry. The first is through batch posting or by importing a journal entry. You can fill out the template and upload it here. The other way is to manually create one by using this button. To create a journal entry, first select the posting date. Normally, the journal entries created are of the standard type. After saving, the journal entry is created and you can add a new line here. Each line represents a debit or credit. The balances are calculated separately for both debit and credit. Debits can be displayed in multiple lines, but the total amount of debits must be equal to the total amount of credits. The other type of journal entry is reversing. It can be created by clicking this box and filling out the reversing date. For example, if you set the reversing date to January 16th, a new reversing journal entry will be automatically created on that date. In this reversing journal entry, the credit and debit amounts will be switched to create a balance. So for example, if the cost of insurance is $20 credit, the reversing entry will show $20 debit. Once the journal entry is created, the initial status will be draft, and you can edit it while it is in this draft status. You can also submit it for approval. An email will be sent to the person with permission to approve. If it is approved, it can be posted, which will make the journal entry effective. If it is rejected, you can edit it and it will return to the draft status. So that's it for the introduction to the journal entry page. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please check out our other tutorials.